Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've gotten a lot of questions asking how I apply my false lashes, so I'm going to do a video to show you how I do them. So what you're going to need is, of course, your lashes. I love the Kiss brand lashes. These are in the style sultry_A, or sultry A, whatever that means. And they come in the box like this, just a 2-pack like this, and I'm using fresh lashes for this video, so just so you guys can get the full effect. So of course you're gonna need your lashes, your lash glue. I preferably like, that's definitely upside down, I preferably like the Ardell Lash Grip glue in the color clear. That's because it goes on white, so it comes out white, but it dries clear. And I like that because if you ever make any mistakes, you won't see black if you use the black glue. The black glue dries black, so if you mess up, you're just gonna have smudges of black everywhere. We don't need that. You're also gonna need some tweezers. I don't like the tweezers that comes with most lashes packs. It's like a mini U shape with plastic. I like the metal, so I just use my metal tweezers. Then this part is optional. So for beginners, what I did was I used a black eyeliner pencil on my lash line to kind of help guide me in the beginning when I first learned. Now I don't use any liner, I just put them on straight. So I'm going to show you both ways. I couldn't find my black pencil, so I'm just going to be using some black liquid liner. So you could use a liquid liner or a pencil, whichever you choose. So I'm going to show you the one with the black and then the other one with just how I usually do them. So let's get started. I forgot to mention that you will also need a mirror, obviously, but I'm going to be using this little mirror right here. Oh, you just see my bathroom. The first thing you're going to do is, of course, take the lashes off of its, oh my gosh, are you serious? Alright, so you want to be extremely careful with this because you can mess up the corner of your lashes by pulling too hard and not being careful. So sure, forehead is glistening. Alright, so the technique that I use, now mind you, I am not a professional. I do what Johnny Michelle does, and it works for me, okay? So what I do is, first you want to make sure you have, sorry for my voice, I think I'm coming down with something, I plead blood. First you want to make sure that you have your left and your right in the right hand, alright? So what I do is, I put the glue on both lashes at the same time. But for the purpose of, not at the same time, one after the other. But for the purpose of this video, because I'm going to do one with liner and one without, I'm just going to do one at a time. But normally if I was putting on my lashes, I would put one in between my fingers like this. If you can even see that. And then the other one, I would grab with my index and my thumb. Like that. And then I would put the lash glue on, dry. They tell you not to blow because that's unsanitary. So wave, take my little tweezers, and then place, and then place. But again, for this video, one at a time. So I'm gonna do my right eye with the liner. Again, the liner for beginners acts as a guide. So when I first put on my lashes, I don't think I have any pictures because I deleted them because I looked a hot sight when I first started wearing lashes. But when I first had them on, they would be up here, just a mess. So if you put the black liner on, till you get the use of it, till you get the gist of it, of knowing like where your lash line falls and like how your eye line curves, it'll just hide like the gaps if you make those mistakes. So I'm going to put the eyeliner on. And this is actually in a pen. So let's see. So you just want to follow your lash line. This is kind of hard because my eyes is just going crazy with this light in my face, but we're gonna try. All right, here we go. I really can't see. I'm screaming. Please stand by. I'm back. All right, so the liner is on. You can add a wing if you want. That's up to you. So I'm going to make sure it is the right one. Some lashes, they'll go shorter on the inside and then longer on the outside, and that's how you know that this is the wrong one for this eye. It'll go, and then some of them are just like the same width on the outside. So that's up to you on how you do that. But this is the right one for this one. So make sure that you have the right one for the right eye. I'm screaming, this light is so bright and my eyes are just glue. Now, some people I've seen put it on their hand, then run the lash in it. It's too much. Just hold it on the ends. Go from the inner corner to the outer corner. Alright? Let's see if you can see this. Please be light. You want to put it on the very top, not underneath. Not underneath. You want to put it on the top. So be very light. You don't want a lot of glue because then that's going to take forever to dry, and then it's going to be slipping and sliding off your eyelid, and then by the end of the night they're going to be like, honey, you trying to fly away. There it is. A thin line of glue. When I edit this video and see how terribly I did this, I'm just gonna scream. You wanna grab the lash just a little under, wow, I'm so terrible at this. Just a little under the lash line. So you don't wanna grab it on the lash line. You don't wanna grab it too far down here because then you won't have control of when you're placing it. Just a little under the lash line and in the middle, all right? So we're gonna wave. The way you can tell that it's a little bit tacky is it'll start to turn a little clear. Probably can't see that, but just take my word for it. So you want to position the mirror to where when you look down, you can see exactly at an angle where you're going. So you wanna be like, turn your head to the opposite way of the lash that you're putting it on and close your eyes so that you can see where you're placing it. So you just want to place it directly over the black as your guideline. So you want to place it in the middle first, right? Place it in the middle first. And then what I do is I take the corners down. So you're going to place in the middle and then go to the inner corner. Place that down. Then go to the outer corner and place that down. Now, because I've gotten used to this, I'm able to apply my lashes while my eye is up. Most people, when they begin, you can close your eye and just put it down like this while your eye is closed. It's up to you. So you can put it down, look up, place, or you can put it down and place while your eye is still closed. Wow, I totally forgot to mention that you should put mascara on your eyelashes prior to the lash. You can do that to help it blend your eyelashes in. You're actually supposed to do that, but I don't, because mine just blend in anyway. But put mascara on your eyelashes before if you want them to blend in, or if you think they're not going to blend in. So when you're applying your lash, you want to put emphasis that you're pressing down at the lash line, because you want it to stick, especially in the corner and the outer. You want to make sure that that is down, because if those fly away, the whole lash is just bound to go. It's just gonna go. So yeah, that's application number 1. This is without the black line, the black liner. You probably will be able to tell the difference once I put these both on, because the black kind of like brings out the eye more. But it's up to you. It's up to you. Wave, and then go. So you're gonna look down. Gonna follow the lash line, place it in the middle. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it while your eyes still closed. Just wanna follow your lash line. Try a little bit. Look up, do a check, see where you need to adjust. Make sure you're pressing near the lash line to make sure that it is adhering to your lash line. You also want to make sure that your lashes are not facing downward. You want to make sure that they're flaring up, because you want to make sure the lashes are saying hello, not goodbye. Okay? So make sure you push them up near the lash line to make sure. So you see the difference. You see the difference of the black liner with the no liner. So the black liner makes them pop out more, but if you're going for like a natural look, you can do either way. Now I'm gonna share 2 other tricks that I do with my lashes to make them pop out or look more natural. So to make them look natural, I do this way, just the lash. That's it. No liner, no nothing. Now, to make them pop more, you'll do the black liner, and you can add mascara to each one. It doesn't matter. I normally add mascara to the ones where like I want them to be more bold. My everyday class look, I'll wear them without mascara. So you can take your mascara. I use the Ulta Beauty Maximum Lashes Defining Lengthening Mascara. This thing is the bomb. Now, some questions that I also get was, how do I keep them on for so long? How do I wear them for so long? I'm gonna let you know. So, to get the most wear out of them, do not sleep in your false lashes. When you go to bed, rip them jokers off, all right? Because when you wake up in the morning, your lashes don't look like this, all right? Don't do that. You can get a lot of wears out of these lashes. Once you take them off, take your tweezers, start at the corner, and just rip the glue off from the lash line. Then put them in a safe space. I have some lash containers. They're in my room and I don't feel like getting up. But just some lash containers, a Ziploc bag, something to keep them from the air because they will collect dust. I did that before, and then I had to take like a brush, like a eyebrow brush, and brush the dust out. It was very unsanitary, so don't do that. Cover up your lashes when you're not using them. How do I make them stay on for so long? So I have very oily skin. My eyelashes, like my lash line, my eyelids, my eyebrows, they're probably glistening right now. Like, if you guys have any tips and tricks on how to control oily skin, listen, I wash my face every day. I use witch hazel, I don't know. But that's besides the point, I digress. I have oily skin. So when I know that I'm going to be wearing these for a long period of time, here's my trick. I take a small brush. I have an angled brush. I take some lash glue, put a little dab on the back of my hand, dip it, close my eyes, and go along my lash line. Alright? Let it get tacky a little bit. While that's drying, I put my glue onto my lashes. Dry. That glue creates as a tackier base for the lash glue to adhere to. So once that's tacky and my eyelashes are tacky together, okay? So once that's dry, I put it on, make sure I adjust them the same way, and they stay on for longer. Some people I've seen put powder down. I'm not trying to have white stuff in my lashes and then you see the white in my lashes and it doesn't blend well. I don't do all that. I just do the clear glue, the white glue that dries clear, put it on my lash line, let it get tacky, put on the glue to my regular lashes, and I just put them on, and they really stay on all day. Most of the time I don't have to do that. It's only when I know that I'm not gonna be in my room, or like I have a really big event that I need to go to. So just some tips and tricks. If you want to see how I make them stay on longer using the lash glue on my lash line before I do it, let me know. I'll make that video as well. But this concludes the video. Let me know if you are going to use these steps. Let me know if you have any tips or tricks that you use yourself. Many people add their lashes however they choose. It's all about your comfortability. In the beginning, like I said, my lashes were like up here. I look crazy. It's gonna take practice. But you got it. I'm telling you. Once you put on lashes, it's gonna be so easy. I literally put them on while my eyelid is up now. So practice makes perfect. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon. Be blessed.